We are giving away my car at 100,000 subscribers, but for whatever reason in the last video where we talked about it, not enough of you entered. So today, we took out all the stops, bought just under 1,000 square feet of aluminum foil, and are going to be wrapping this beast with it to give away at 100K to one of you lucky viewers. Go down, click that subscribe button, drop a like, and stick around for this wild ride. 900 square feet of tinfoil. How much does that cost? Well, about $30. In addition, we have two 109-yard rolls of this packing tape, which hopefully will stick. Could I have a kid's cheeseburger meal with fried onions on it? Bougie. Is that actual tinfoil? Yep. Thank you. Yeah. You too.
Is that what I think it is? A tinfoil car? No, it can't be. But it is. Tinfoil crew. Look at this no smoking sign, but that car be on fire. Tinfoil car. Oh, tinfoil.
Jack and I had an amazing time making this video and going around and making people smile. If this video did that for you, don't forget to drop a like. But if you want some more value out of this video, don't forget we're giving away this luxury ride at 100K subscribers. So go hit that subscribe button, share the video with your grandma, your significant other, your dog, whatever. You get the point. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment those ideas down below and we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.